So, in today's video, I'm going to be going through how to reset Windows 11 without a USB drive. So if your Windows 11 system is acting up, being slow, buggy, or even just a mess and you don't have a spare USB drive, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 11 back to its factory settings without needing a USB drive or any extra tools. I'll walk you through how to reset Windows 11 with no external media required. It's simple, effective, and doesn't take long. So let's get into the video. And welcome to the video. So today we are going to be resetting a Windows computer without having a USB stick or factory resetting the drive. So what you're going to do is click the Windows key and go to settings, and then you're going to need to go to system, and you're going to need to scroll down to recovery. Once we're in recovery, we can start the process. It's super simple to do. It's not difficult at all. All you've got to do is go reset this PC. It's going to ask you a few questions. So personally, I'm going to remove everything. But if you want to just keep all your apps, but you want to re-log in or just a fresh clean, that's a good idea to do. So what it's going to do is it's going to get everything ready. It's calculating things that are going to happen. It could take a bit of time, depending on which one you're going to choose. So you can either cloud reinstall or local reinstall. I'm personally going to choose a cloud reinstall, but it depends on what you would like to do. If you do a local, just do what's on the device, but if you've got a bit of a broken Windows, then probably recommend cloud. It does use around 4 GB of data. So we're going to click this, and it's going to tell me what it's going to do. It's going to remove all the apps and files, and it's not going to clean the drive. It's going to download and reinstall Windows, and it's going to use 4 GB of data. Now, for me, I do have dual booted laptop. This has got Ubuntu on it as well. So for me, this is good. I don't want it to clean the drive, even though I'm not bothered. I'm changing this laptop anyway. I just thought it would mention it. If you've got dual boot, it's fine. And then you're going to click next, and it's going to ask me to plug in my laptop while I'm doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug this in. There you go. It should give it a sec, and it should ping up that it's plugged in. So I'm going to click back and then to click next. Yeah, it's definitely plugged in, so there you go. It's now getting things ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the whole process and just let the computer get on with it, and I'll try and see how long it's roughly going to take. I am connected to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi we get here is about 500 down, so it shouldn't be too quick, but we'll see how long. It'll be a bit quicker on Ethernet, but we'll see what it'll do. It might boot into Ubuntu, but I will take that into factoration because obviously Ubuntu is my priority boot order, but that doesn't matter for you. So I'll let this begin the process, and then once it is done, we will see what it does. So I'm going to let this do this, and I will come back once it is completely done, or it has another bit of interference that we need to do with it. So there we go. So we've got another one. Resetting, it's just basically, this is the final chance of what it's going to do. So it's going to remove all the personal files and users, remove any changes, apps, programs, download and reinstall Windows onto its partition on the drive. It was going to restart the computer quite a lot, and it could do, now use more than 3.15 gig. I'm going to click reset, and there you go. It's been downloading it in the background in case we were going to do it. It's already done 30% for me. So I'm going to let this rapidly finish, and then you might see me, as I've said, I switch, but I will go into Windows the whole time and let it go with it. So I'm going to let this continue, and I will come back once the next bit needs to be dealt with. So let's go. As you can see, Windows is now finished installing. Everything seems to be working. So yeah, you can now go set up your machine like it was brand new again. If you did enjoy this video, please do leave it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next one. Hope you enjoyed your stay at the retreat. See ya.